Let's compare Walnut Stain Distress Spray Stain with a Distress Pad. Now, if I have two pieces of cardstock here that are embossed, I'm going to spray one of them with the spray stain and I'm going to use the ink pad on the other one. After I spray, I immediately start dousing it with water or spraying it with water to get that ink running into all the nooks and crannies. For the one with the pad, I'm just rubbing it over the surface and it's just going to ink the top or the raised part of that embossed cardstock. I'm using Craft Mix Media Heavy Stock here so it can handle the water that I'm going to spray on it as well. Now, most of the color is going to stay on the raised surface, but by spraying it with water, it is going to help that water kind of bleed and seep into some of the other areas. You can see that the sprayed one gets most of the color. The color pretty much stays in the same spot. You don't get a whole lot of color variation between the raised and the recessed areas of that embossed cardstock, whereas the one with the ink pad, we get a lot more variation between the dark and the light.